Day 3, hitting the biggest stuff today. Very excited about it. Our view last night was amazingly stunning, and waking up, having amazing food, the amazing team here is peak. So Green Frog Adventures, I highly suggest it. But we're gonna go paddle that now. Wanna come? I do. Whee! So Jake, first 2 days down, how are we feeling?
Pretty good.
How was last night?
Pretty good.
How are you feeling about today?
Pretty good.
No more detail, just pretty good?
Pretty good.
Just pretty good.
Pretty good.
Costa Rica's pretty good.
Good.
Pretty good.
Pretty
Pretty
good.
good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub bub bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub. Bye bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub. Hey.
Hey bub. Hey
Bub 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 bub.
bub 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 bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub. Hey bub bub.
Hey bub. Bubby bub.
Hey bub. Hey bub. Hey ho.
Hey bub bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub.
Hey bub 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 bub. Hey bub.
Hey bub. Hey bub.
Look at the size of that bird. Hello, bird. You know what? Fuck it. I can run this. Hello, bird. Damn, you're big. Hi.
Okay, you see what he did? He French fried when he should have pizzaed. You French fry when you pizza, you're gonna have a bad time.
Jake, blue rock right. Please paddle. Thank you. Wow. There it is. Forward. Just too slow. Fucking coming gold.
close to the rapid at the end of this tunnel. So guys, Eden and I will show you where you should go.
Sounds good.
It's easy, but it's a first class trip.
All right.
Let's go, guys.
Pinkies up, people, pinkies up.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
Only the classic of paddling. Yeah, Costa Rica's pretty. You should come here. My son. Paddle one more, yeah.
Earlier. Holy shit, Elena's in here.
Hey Elena, it's the thing.
It'll chill out in a minute.
Yeah, that was one of the rapids I was
Not a big deal. Just kayaking Costa Rica next to waterfalls. Living the fucking dream. So he's taking the exact line you guys want to take. I lied, that's the exact line I want to take. Except he went into the hole, which is very impressive. He's taking the easier line, which is just to the other side of the booth.
Oh yeah, that's doable. Oh shit. That doesn't look good.
Why? He just back paddled out.
Yeah,
Perfect.
but like, I mean...
Hi. I'm about to run the class 4. Scared shitless. They're still scouting. It's a booth over a hole into an undercut, and you just gotta stay right. So I'm gonna get behind Nettie, I'm gonna U-turn, power towards the booth line, left stroke off, land, left stroke, right stroke, and I'm out.
Doesn't matter. There are only 4 rules you need to remember. Make the plan, execute the plan, expect the plan to go off the rails, throw away the plan.
Every little thing's gonna be alright.
You're a big hairy boy.
Got you. Woo! Yep, go, go, go. Whee! Holy shit. Damn it.
Come on, Dad, roll, roll, roll. Head down. Head down. Fuck, he's out.
So I didn't make it. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Backstroke, backstroke. Keep going. Keep backing it up. Yeah. Now you're just showing off.
My disappointment
is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
Hey Elena, we're in the jungle kayaking. Shits and shadows.
Oh, look at us, we're in love and happy and not dead inside. Get fucked, both of you. And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Look where we are. We're in the jungle and we're kayaking. It is absolutely stunning.
Who brought that one?
What one?
That one.
What do you mean?
Who brought him?
I don't know. I don't know who's that guy is. Whose kid is this? Someone come get your child. They are paddling recklessly, without abandon.
You're just like me. Trash!
Elena, what do you think of kayaking in Costa Rica?
Incredible.
Incredible? Life affirming?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel? You know, you think you might come back and do it in a couple years?
A couple? Better not take that long.
Damn straight.
I hope I'm back
Could never
next
take
year.
more than a couple years. I agree.
Next year.
Next year, I got Japan and Chile
All your
and
excuses. I'll paddle in Chile.
Rude. Yeah? Chile?
Chile.
Chile. Yeah, no worries. You know, you have to pay the river gods.
Oh, you're so getting malaria. He's definitely gonna be sick after this. If he did or not. Also, look at my sunburned hands, yo.